Do you want to make money with artificial intelligence? Do you want to learn how to use AI to create and sell your own products and services? Do you want to discover the best opportunities and resources to start and grow your income with AI? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the potential to make money with AI, even if you have no prior experience or technical skills. I will share with you some of the most successful and inspiring examples of people who are making money with AI and how you can follow their footsteps and achieve your own goals. But before we get into the details, let me introduce myself. My name is AIpreneur, and I am an AI enthusiast and entrepreneur. I am passionate about exploring and experimenting with AI and finding new and innovative ways to use AI to create value and solve problems. I am also passionate about sharing my knowledge and experience with you so that you can learn and benefit from AI. That's why I created this channel, where I post videos on various topics related to AI, such as how to learn AI, how to use AI tools, how to make money with AI, how to build AI projects, how to find AI jobs, and how to make money with AI. If you are interested in these topics, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Now let's get back to our main topic, how to unlock the potential to make money with AI. To do that, we need to understand what AI is, why it is so powerful, and what are the main ways to make money with AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the science and engineering of creating machines and systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as vision, speech, language, reasoning, decision-making, and learning. AI is not a single technology, but a collection of methods and techniques that can be applied to various domains and problems. AI is so powerful because it can automate and optimize many processes and tasks that humans do, and sometimes even do them better and faster. AI can also augment and enhance human capabilities and creativity by providing insights, suggestions, and solutions that humans may not think of. AI can also create new products and services that were not possible before by generating novel and original content, such as images, music, text, and code. AI is also one of the fastest growing and most lucrative fields in the world. According to a report by PwC, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, which is more than the current output of China and India combined. AI could also create up to 58 million new jobs by 2022, according to a report by the World Economic Forum. With such huge potential and impact, AI offers many opportunities for anyone who wants to make money with AI. There are mainly 4 ways to do that. First, learn AI and get a job as an AI engineer, researcher, or analyst. This is the most common and straightforward way to make money with AI. You need to acquire the skills and knowledge that are in high demand in the AI industry, such as programming, mathematics, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and more. You also need to build a portfolio of AI projects that showcase your abilities and achievements. You can then apply for AI jobs in various sectors and industries such as technology, healthcare, finance, education, entertainment, and more. You can expect to earn a high salary and enjoy a rewarding career with AI. Second, use AI tools and platforms to create and sell your own products and services. This is a more creative and entrepreneurial way to make money with AI. You don't need to be an expert in AI, but you need to have some basic understanding of how AI works and what it can do. You also need to have a clear idea of what kind of products and services you want to create and sell, and who are your target customers and markets. You can then use various AI tools and platforms that are available online, such as ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, DAL, to help you create and sell your products and services. For example, you can use ChatGPT to help you write code, create content, answer questions, and more. You can then sell your code, content, or solutions to your customers or monetize them through advertising, subscriptions, or donations. Third, invest in AI companies and projects that have high potential and growth. This is a more speculative and risky way to make money with AI. You need to have some capital and financial knowledge to invest in AI. You also need to have some research and analytical skills to identify and evaluate the AI companies and projects that have high potential and growth. You can then invest in them through various channels such as stocks, bonds, funds, cryptocurrencies, or crowdfunding. You can then hope to earn a return on your investment either through dividends, interest, capital gains, or tokens. Fourth, teach and share your AI knowledge and experience with others. This is a more social and altruistic way to make money with AI. You need to have some expertise and passion in AI and a desire to help others learn and benefit from AI. You also need to have some communication and presentation skills to teach and share your AI knowledge and experience with others. You can then use various platforms and mediums such as YouTube, Udemy, Medium, or Quora to create and distribute your AI content, such as videos, courses, articles, or answers. You can then earn money from your AI content, either through advertising, commissions, fees, or tips. These are the 4 main ways to unlock the potential to make money with AI. Of course, you can also combine or switch between these ways, depending on your goals, preferences, and circumstances. The important thing is to start somewhere and take action. AI is not a distant or mysterious thing that only a few people can access or understand. AI is a powerful and accessible tool that anyone can use or learn. AI is also a huge and growing opportunity that anyone can seize or create. AI is the future, and the future is now. So, what are you waiting for? Start your AI journey today and unlock the potential to make money with AI. And if you need any help or guidance along the way, you can always reach out to me, AIpreneur, your AI mentor and friend. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know which of these AI tools you use and are comfortable with. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to share them as well. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video on how to make money online and live your best life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.